How to change your Twitter sensitive content setting on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can customize or change the sensitive content control of Twitter on your iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now on Android, it's very easy because you have the option right from the app. But if I show you the Twitter app on my iPhone right over here, and even if I go to my profile page from the top right or anywhere else, I will not be able to find the option to go ahead and customize the sensitive content setting. So what do we do in this case? Well, what we do is we just open up our browser instead of the application and then just go to twitter.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Go to twitter.com from your iPhone Safari browser and then log into your account. And after you log in, obviously it's almost similar to your Twitter application on iPhone, but it's a little bit different comparing that you have been given more features. And just tap on the profile icon, which is located at the top left hand side of the screen, and at the bottom just expand the menu called settings and support. As you go to settings and support, here you'll find the option called settings and privacy. As you tap on the settings and privacy option, right over here you'll find another option that says privacy and safety. Once you go to privacy and safety, you'll find another option that says content you see under your Twitter activity. So right over here, just tap on it, and at the very top you can see the button that says display media that may contain sensitive content. So you want to just make sure to turn this toggle on if you're looking for that, but if you're trying to turn it off, then you can just go ahead and check that as well. But I don't know why iPhone makes it so complicated that they don't give you the option from within the application. I mean, for every little thing you do, you just have to go ahead and then hop into your browser. But hopefully sometime in the future they may update this feature by giving us the option from within the native application, just like on Android. But as long as this video is concerned, as of today, you want to make sure to log into your browser and then just turn this thing on or off. You don't have to do anything, just turn this thing on or off and it'll change it, save the changes automatically. That's all it takes to change the sensitive content setting on Twitter on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.